Well, today we're replacing the shower handle. We are replacing it, and this is the way we do it. You're gonna need a screwdriver, a Phillips, and this is the tools you're gonna need. Screwdriver, little small screwdriver, and a Phillips. Them two. We're replacing the handle because it broke. Then you see the screwdriver in the middle. You remove it. See the way I'm doing it? You twist it. Once it's loose, you take it out with your fingers. The same way you take it out, same way back, you put it back in. This is the screw and the little washer. You grab it, you pull it back. A lot of times what happens is this little knobs right here, they break, and when you're trying to twist it, the water will not turn on. It's stripped. So we are getting the new one. Like I said, the same way you took it out, so we went back, put it back in. You put the screw right in the center. Once it's in there, and you put the little cap, and that's all it takes to get that job done. And that's it. And just to make sure that it works, turn off, turn on, and it works. If I can do it, anybody can do it.